The following tutorial was created by Karen Little, designer and artist in charge of LittleViews and sketchviews.com. While we specialize in pet portraits and art tutorials, we also create surface designs on a number of products, with coffee mugs being popular. This tutorial is about using coffee mugs and other containers that do not have drainage holes as pots for plants.
To successfully develop a beautiful indoor jungle, water houseplants regularly. Unfortunately, some people use the fear of overwatering as an excuse for killing houseplants by letting their plants dry out. In reality, many houseplants love moisture, and some thrive in water alone. For a list of good water-loving houseplants, Google the phrase houseplants that can grow in water. While watering plants in containers with drainage holes assures you that excess water drains away from roots, those same pots can cause water to drain out before root masses have time to soak water in. Pots without drainage holes provide excellent water retention. If you add too much water, you can actually see the problem, allowing you to pour it out instead of creating a potted swamp. The following tips will guide you to potting a plant in a drain-free container, such as in a cute coffee mug.
Have your supplies ready. At minimum, that includes potting soil and your plant. You might also want to use activated charcoal.
Optionally, cover the base of your container with activated charcoal. Note that some experts say that charcoal saves plants from root rot, while others say it makes no difference. Decide this issue for yourself. Now place a layer of potting soil in the container, then add your plant. Make sure that your plant does not overwhelm the container. If it is too large, you won't be able to add soil. Firmly press soil down while filling the pot. Continue until the soil's flat surface is a ½ inch from the container's top edge. By leaving this distance, you can determine when your plant is correctly watered, as well as know when your plant needs to be repotted into a larger container. Stand over a sink or basin while slowly adding water. When the dirt surface appears uniformly moist and the dirt has risen to the container's edge, but doesn't overflow it, you have added enough. If you overwater, water and dirt will overflow the container. To remove water, hold 2 fingers, or other damming device, over the pot's edge, then tip the container to let water, not dirt, escape. To maintain your plant's health, regularly add small amounts of water when surface dirt is lightly damp, but not soaking wet, or cement hard. If you forget and your plant dries out, its dirt shrinks, its root ball becomes hard, and its soil might pull away from the container's edge. To revive your plant, lavishly add water, then let it sit for at least a ½ hour. After that period, check for soft soil. If water wasn't absorbed uniformly, places will be hard to dent. If when you press down, you see a pool of extra water, drain it out. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Visit littleviews.com and sketchviews.com for more information. For questions, send email to questions@sketchviews.com.